Hello from the Appalachian Trail. It's day 72, and I just passed mile 543. So that means I'm just past the quarter way mark. So all I have to do is what I just did for the last 72 days, do that 3 more times. And I'll be done. Nothing to it. So today was really warm, about 75 degrees. But a lot of it has been stuff like this. Meadows. Probably the last 6 miles, actually the last 8 miles have been like this. So I just went through the town of, went through a small town here. There's just a couple of gas stations on an interstate exchange. But I left Marion, Virginia this morning. Woke up in a bed at a motel. That was my 0 day yesterday. And then I got a free ride out to the trail. That was nice. Sat in the back of a pickup truck for 6 miles. So that was nice. About a half a mile from where I'm gonna go camp. There's a creek up here. Not too far. So it's kind of late. It's about, it's almost 5 o'clock, but I did get a late start. So, and today is day 1 of my 60 plus miles from Marion to Bland, Virginia. So today I'm doing 12 miles, just because 10 miles, I would have liked to do 10 miles, but the 10-mile mark put me back there in that small town of Atkins. So even a mile and a half out here, I can hear the interstate. So hopefully the creek will be loud enough to wash that out. So I'm doing 12 miles today. So that gives me the option of doing 4 more 12s, plus a little extra. Or just bump it down a little bit and continue with 5 more days. I have 6 days of food. Another good mail drop, thank you, Yobo. Although it's getting heavy, it's another 12 pounds. It'll get lighter by 2 pounds every day. So by the time I get to Bland, I'll be floating in at about below 25 pounds. That'd be nice. So we got some weather coming in, not tomorrow, but the next day. So today is Saturday. Sunday will be overcast, and then Monday will be some thunderstorms. So right now it's scheduled to come in, or forecast to come in, afternoon on Monday. So hopefully that'll be wrong by a few hours, and it won't come in till late Monday afternoon, like Monday evening, something like that. It's always nicer setting up camp when it's not raining. But I'll have that chance eventually, I'm sure, a few times. So what I might do is reduce my miles for Monday, or leave a little early on Monday. So I got lots of options. We'll see. All the birds are out. Seen some butterflies. Lots of bugs. Spider webs. So it feels like spring. It's a little early. Still, I guess about, less than 2 weeks officially from spring, but it feels like summer actually. That's okay. 75 during the day is going to be probably 50 at night. 50 is pretty good sleeping weather. Looking to send some of this stuff home. I'm still working on my winter base layers, so it's pretty hot. So I got my t-shirt coming from home, and I'll send 1 set of base layers home when I get that. So there's a few things in my pack that I can get rid of. I'm not going to get rid of everything, but just a couple of pounds makes a huge difference. So, oh, congrats to Scotty. Good job, Scotty. Got your Ranger tab. I know that wasn't easy. So Scotty was down in Georgia doing his Ranger training, same time I was down there. So we probably, I wonder how close we got, Scotty. We must have been within a few miles of each other. That would have been awesome to bump into you. So anyway, I like your advice. Your little saying, ounces is pounds, pounds is pain. So he's right. Every little bit counts. I mean, all those ounces add up to pounds. So I send a few quarter-pound things home, and that's a pound. Yeah, so and a pound makes a difference. I can feel the difference when I eat the food, and the next day my pack is lighter. Oh, this looks tricky. So I guess this is so the cows can't get out. So I gotta pay attention here. There we go. I can still hear the interstate. I must be paralleling the interstate because I've been walking about almost 2 miles since I crossed it. That was my third interstate. So I started at Interstate 40 after I came out of the Smokies, crossed Interstate 26 going into Hampton, Tennessee, and now this was Interstate 81. So working my way up. I know maybe my last interstate will be 90 in Massachusetts. We'll see. So another good day here in Virginia. This is what I envisioned Virginia to be. Nice grassy meadows. No mountains to climb. Hearing lots of birds. It's getting that time of the day. The pileated woodpecker is like, I don't know if it's following me all the way from Georgia, but I hear it all the time. I don't hear many owls at night. That's kind of surprising. Saw some deer and nothing bigger. Although I heard thunderstorms, early spring thunderstorms are what wake up the bears. So Monday's storm might be the one that wakes them up. It's definitely warm enough, so I'm gonna have to start paying more attention to my food. So I have been cooking and eating my dinner under my hammock, or under my tarp on my hammock, and just sleeping with my food. I'm gonna have to rethink that as it gets warmer, especially when I get up to Shenandoahs and further on. A lot of black bears out here, so we just gotta be careful with our food. All right. That's all I can think of to say. Sayang hey, bo.